So hi there, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how to customize your social media posts for each platform using Buffer. So this is key for improving engagement and making sure your content fits the style of each site. So let's jump in. So here I have my Buffer account already opened and logged in. So here I've connected only two channels, but I will use this one to demonstrate on how you can customize your posts on different platforms. If you can also add other channels, if you have added YouTube, connect to Threads and LinkedIn and others, so you can do that. But here, if I want to customize a certain post to these two channels, where I would just go directly to a new post. Then once I click on it like that, these two sections will pop up. You can see I have my Facebook page and I also have the Instagram profile here. So if I want to customize these two, I'll just click on customize for each network. Once I click on that, they will pop up like this. And then let me start with the first one. So once I click on it like that, you can see it gives me this section where I have to post a post. Then there's a reel, there is a story. Then I can also import a video or an image that I want to add to this. I can import an image. So let's say, for example, I want to import this image. Then it will come directly to this section. Then there's also another feature that is added here that you can use. There's a post here. There's this AI assistant feature. Let me say, for example, let me use it to create me a post. So I would give it a command like, for example, create me a post on how to customize name customize how to customize posts on Buffer. Then once you click like that, you click on generate. It's generating a post for you. So once it's done, you can see you can also go ahead and refresh the post if you don't like it. You can also go ahead and shorten the post, expand the post, make it more casual, more formal like that. Once it's done and you like it, you click insert. Once you click insert, you can see it has given you a nice post here, and it has also the hashtags incorporated. That is, then you can also go ahead and add the emojis. They are down here. You click on it like that. You can add the emojis if you want to your content like that. Then they will appear there. Then once you're done customizing your content on Facebook, you can also go to the Instagram down here. Then you can see the same post is appearing here. There's image that is appearing here. You can also go ahead and customize your content as a post here. You can also import a video that you want to put here and all that. So once you are done customizing your content, you can go ahead and add to queue or schedule your post using this section. Then after you're done scheduling your post, you can send the notification or download the Buffer app on your phone to get the notification and all that. Now you can also schedule up. Then once the information will be posted, you'll be notified on that. So that is how easy you can customize content on Buffer, and also make sure that all your channels have been scheduled well, and it will help you boost engagement, looks more professional, and also connects better with other audience. So if you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more social media tips. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.